Okay, children. So what we will learn today? We will learn chapter number 21. All of you open chapter number 21, page number 25. What we will learn today? We will learn about the fun places. What happened, Adrija? Unmute yourself. Yes, what happened? Unmute yourself. Yes, unmute. Yes, what happened?
May I go to the toilet?
Yes, you can go. Yes. Now see, today we will learn about something new, that is fun places. So what is the fun places? Fun places are the recreation spots that these places where you go for fun. Okay. These are the places where we go for the enjoyment and for the relaxation. So we will learn today about the many forms of fun places. Okay. So first picture you can see here. What is this? You can see here, this is a seaside. Okay. So you can recognize it very easily. We call it a beach. Okay. What we call it? A beach. B-E-A-C-H. Beach. Okay. Right, all of you. Beach. It is a beach. So what is a beach? Children, what is a beach? A beach is an area of sand or stones beside the sea. Okay, a beach is an area of sand or stones beside the sea where you go for the relaxation. Okay. Now next one, follow. You can see here there are lots of trees and the water side also is there. So some chairs are also there. So we call it park. Okay. P-A-R-K. Park. So what is park? Park is a public area of land with grass and trees, usually in a town where people go in order to relax and enjoy themselves. So people usually go in order to relax themselves and enjoy also. So it is called a park. A park is a public area of land with grass and trees. Okay, so the next one you can see here. What is this? This is a playground. Okay, this is a playground. What is a playground? A playground is a piece of land at a school or in a public area where children can play. So playground is a piece of land at school or in a public area where children can play. So the next one you can see here. What is this? This is called a fun fair. Okay, fun fair. F-U-N-F-A-I-R. Fun fair. So what is fun fair? A fun fair is an event held in a park or field at which people pay to ride on various machines. So in very many amusement park, I think you have you went there also. I think there are so many amusement park, like in Kolkata also you can find that there is Nico Park and so many parks are there. So it is called Fun Fair, where there is a lot of amusement and lots of machines where the children can ride also, and so many fun activities are there. So we call it Fun Fair. Okay. So all of you have completed. I will review the quiz once again. So this area where the sea, you can see an area of sand or stones beside the sea is called the beach. The next one is the park. Okay, park is a public area. It's a public area of land with grass and trees. Usually in town, what people do? People go there in order to relax and enjoy themselves. The third one is playground. So in the playground, what is a playground? It is a piece of land at a school or public area where children can enjoy. Children can play. Now the next one is fun fair. So fun fair is also an event held in park or field at which people pay to ride on various machines. So in fun fair, children go there and they have to pay to enjoy the ride. Okay, so it is called fun fair. Yes, Paban, have you completed?
Ma'am, completed.
Very good. Yes, Rayan and Sanchari, completed.
Complete, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Somadeep, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Somadeep. Yes, Mahapoli, have you completed? Upama,
Yes, ma'am.
very good, children. Very good, Adrita. Yes, very good, Adrita. Yes, Shubro, very good. Very good, Shubro.
Ma'am, I am
Yes.
Subro.
Yes.
Page number 26. Page number not 26. I am joined late. Page number 25. I write all are correct.
Just wait, Shubro. I'm doing page number 22. Everything. Okay. Where you went page number 26? I'm doing page number 21. Okay. Yes, Joel Malik, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good.
Thank
Ridan,
you.
Ridan, Vedasrita, very good. Zishan, very good. Sorish, show me all of you. Very good, Sorish. Very good, Ridan. Okay. Very good, Ayushman. Very good. Okay, children. Now follow the next one. All of you lower your hand first. Okay. Follow the next page. So what is the next page? What is the next chapter? Countries and flags. Okay, countries and flags. So different countries have their different flags. Okay. So here is
Ma'am, I'm Upama.
Upama.
I'm completed.
Very good, Upama.
Please take my book.
Very good, Upama. Now see Upama, chapter number 22. Turn the page. Turn the page. All of you start doing countries and flags. Given below is a list of countries and their flags. Match all the countries with their flags. Use utility box as clue. Okay. So the first one in India's flag, we already know that the top one is the saffron color. Okay, in the middle there is white color, and in the down it is green color, and in the middle of middle of the flag we can see the wheel is there. Okay, how many spokes are there in the wheel? 24. Okay, so the wheel is blue in color. So this is our Indian flag. Okay, you have to match it. All of you start doing. India will go to C. Okay, C. The next one, Germany. How is the Germany flag? How it looks like? The flag of the Germany will go towards E. Okay. The flag of the Germany will go towards E. Okay. The top one is black color, and in the middle is red, and in the down you can see there is yellow color. So this is the Germany flag. Okay. So now Zimbabwe, number 3. What is the flag of Zimbabwe? How it looks like? Zimbabwe flag will go towards A. Okay, this one is Zimbabwe flag. Okay, there is a star made here, and so many colors are there. See, green, yellow, red, blue, then again red, then yellow, then green. Okay, so this is the flag of Zimbabwe. Now see number 4. Which one is the Italy flag? The flag of Italy looks like it will go towards B. This one. So this is the Italy flag of Italy. First the green color you can see, and in the middle white color, and last you can see the red color. So this is the flag of Italy. Now see number 5, Mexico. How it looks like? The Mexico flag. The Mexico flag will go towards F. You can see here the first color you can see it's a green color, and in the middle it's a white color, and last you can see there is red color. It almost looks like the Italian flag, but in the middle there is a symbol made, some symbol is made here. So this one is the flag of Mexico. Now United States flag. You all know it very well. This is the United States flag. The red and white stripes are there on the flag and a blue box like it is made and it is full of stars. So this one is American flag. Okay, United States flag. All of you do this. Have you completed? Everyone? Upama, Paban, all of you completed?
Ma'am, Upama completed, ma'am.
Very good, all of you.
Ma'am, completed.
Very nice.
Ma'am, Upama, please take my copy.
Very good, Upama. Very good, Paban. Very good. Yes, very good, Vedasrita. Very good, Ridan. Very good, Sran and Sanchari. Well done. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Very good, Ridan. Okay. Now, children, all of you show me. Yes, Omadeep, very good. Very good, Shubro. Very nice. Very good, Mopoli. Very good, Mopoli. Yes. Joel, very good. Very nice. Yes, Zishan, very good. Very good, Adrija. Okay. Debarpan, have you completed, Debarpan? Yes, very nice. Very good. Asif, have you completed? Yes, very good, Asif. Ankit, have you completed, Ankit? Ankit? Agnidipta? Mubashir, all of you show me.
Yes.
Yes, very good, children. Very good, Mubashir. Very good, Agnidipta. Sorish, Abhinav, Shaurya, have you completed? Yes, Sorish, very good. Very good, Indrayud. Ridhima, have you completed? Molisha? Very good, Ridhima. Yes. Very good, Monisha. Yes, Isa, have you completed? Isa? Isa, have you completed? Shruti? Tabassum? Show me, Isa. Shruti, very good. Very good, Tabassum. Okay. Very good, very good. Isa.
I have done.
Very good, Shruti. Yes, Tabassum, have you completed? Monojit? Monojit, have you completed? Ayushman? Okay, very nice, children. Mariam, Sufyan, Mahir, all of you have completed? Very nice. Okay, children. Now see, children, chapter number 23. Chapter number 23. All of you check here. Chapter number 23. All of you can see here. Guessing countries. What is this? Guessing country. The city and the landmark in each row belong to the same country. Okay. So the city is mentioned here. City and the landmark. Both are mentioned here and they both belong to the same country. Fill in the boxes to write the names of the countries using utility box. Okay. So Paris and Eiffel Tower. Paris is the city and Eiffel Tower is the landmark. So they both belong to the same country. What is the country? Just wait. Just see, children, all of you right now. The first one belongs to France. Okay, France. So the Eiffel Tower is in the country France. Okay, Paris. It is located in Paris and the country is France. The second one, see, Karnataka. It is in Karnataka. And what is this? This is the Gol Gumbaz. We call it Gol Gumbaz. It is situated in, the country is India. Okay, India. It is in Karnataka, and the landmark we call it Gol Gumbaz. The third one is situated in London, and the tower is called Big Ben. What is the tower called? Big Ben. Okay, where it is situated? Where, in which country? In UK. Okay, in UK. All of you write down UK. Now see this one. This is located in Sydney. And what is the landmark? This one is, we call it Sydney Opera House. And it is located in the country Australia. Okay, Australia. It is located in the country Australia. All of you write. Now see this one. What is this? This is located in Peru. Okay, located in Peru. And what the landmark is called? The landmark is Machu Picchu. Okay, what the landmark is? Machu Picchu. Where it is located? In which country? It is located in South America. Okay, South America. Okay, so I'm reviewing the quiz once again. So in Paris, the Eiffel Tower is located in Paris, and in which country? France. Okay, the first one belongs to France. The second one, in Karnataka, it is situated Gol Gumbaz. We call it Gol Gumbaz. In the country India. Okay, the third one, the tower, which is called Big Ben, and it's located in London. In which country? UK. See this one, Sydney Opera House. This landmark is Sydney Opera House, located in Sydney, and in which country? Australia. Okay, Australia. Now see the fourth one, fifth one. We call it Machu Picchu. The landmark is Machu Picchu, located in Peru, and in which country? South America. Okay, it is located in South America. Have you all completed? Okay. Now see children, this one. Did you know the clock tower of the Palace of Westminster? So this is the clock tower. Okay, clock tower of the Palace of Westminster, officially named St. Stephen's Tower, is commonly known as the Big Ben. So what we call it? Big Ben. Okay. All of you finished? Finished everyone? Upama, have you finished? Everyone completed? Very good children. So these are very good Upama. So these are the different landmarks situated in different countries. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay children. So all of you have completed. Very good Vedasrita. Very good.